Hey, it's me, Errol, back again with another video. Today we're doing sheet vinyl in the toilet. But without further ado, let me give you a look at what we're doing today.
Now that you've had a look at what we're doing, let's crack on. So now we'll peel back the vinyl and start spraying down some glue. And do remember to spray the floor and the back of the vinyl. What I'm using is a contact adhesive. Now what I'm about to do is fit the vinyl around the pedestal. I tend to start with a cut dead center of the pedestal. That's the first cut I make. As you can see here, before I make my cut, I make sure that the vinyl is sitting flat. Then it's a series of little slits all the way around the pedestal to get the vinyl to go flat. And you continue with a little series of cuts all the way around the toilet until you completely cut right around the bottom of the toilet and you get the vinyl to sit flat. I'm going to try and show you every cut that I make with the camera. I'll see how close I can actually get to the toilet and show you in full detail. And then once you've made all the cuts, you then start trimming around the bottom of the toilet. I prefer to use a hook knife, but you can use a concave blade or your straight blade. And there you go, it's all trimmed up now. You can see that it's sitting flat around the bottom of the toilet. And there you go, we're just about finished with this one today. If you find this video helpful at all, like, share and subscribe, comments down below, check out my other videos.